founder, you get to do a lot of stuff because one day when you're talking to your investors, you are a founder of a company where you're leading a team of maybe 15-20 people, and the other day when you come back to the office, you're probably a peon or a tea server to your teammates because you don't have that bandwidth to actually allot resources or money to that kind of stuff, and you actually have to take care of everything that you are doing on a regular basis. When we realized that we have to build this company, it was quite it was a different time where, because at that time I just had 2 lakhs in my pocket, and we were like 7 people behind the whiteboard scribbling down the ideas and what all we can do.
सबसे डिफ़िकल्ट फेज़ था कि मेरे अभी तक के पूरे जर्नी का वॉज बिल्डिंग अ टीम इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अगर आपके पास सही लोग नहीं है तो आपका धंधा कभी नहीं चल सकता है. वी स्टार्टेड एक्सप्लोरिंग पीपल. आई टुक ऑलमोस्ट 150 इंटरव्यूज़ बिफोर सिलेक्टिंग माई फर्स्ट गाय.
I've always been very choosy about the people I work with is because it's very important that you actually have a great bonding with those people. When I decided that Aditya will be my co-founder, there was a reason behind that, and the reason mainly was because of his he's very easy person to go with.
When I first met Mir, the first thing that struck into my mind was, यार ये तो बहुत काला है. I know this is a very racist comment, but I know that he is very very good at heart. And in college I used to tease him like hell. वो एक दिन मेरे पीछे जूता लेके भी भागा था कॉलेज में कि तू मुझे काला क्यों बोलता है. ही इज़ अ वेरी स्मार्ट चैप. अगर देखा जाए तो उसका दिमाग बहुत शार्प है.
Shifted to Delhi was to rent a place, but keeping in mind that we don't have that much money with us, so what we decided was we should actually shift to T Labs.
उन्होंने हमको एक केबिन दे दिया वहीं पे टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया के अंदर.
We used to actually sleep on bean bags for 3 months straight.
गद्दी डाल के सोते थे. गद्दी भी नहीं बोल सकते, हम रज़ाई डाल के सोते थे.
We used to work like from 10 a.m. in the morning to 12 a.m. Midnight, and then take a bath at 2 a.m. in the morning.
रात को आके हमारे गीले कपड़े सुखाते थे. सुबह उठ के फिर से वो गीले कपड़े उठाने पड़ते थे क्योंकि वो ऑब्वियसली दैट वाज अ कॉर्पोरेट कंपनी.
Like entire team that I have remains as a family, right? And that idea of building a family within the team has been quite helpful because what happens is like as a startup founder, your team tends to actually share their problems with you, and I would love that. I guess the one thing that any startup founder should actually keep in mind is like making sure that they hire the right people and give that confidence to those team members that we got their back, right? If they have any problem in their life, they can come to us.
Are preferring team and culture more than the product. They are building an amazing culture, an amazing team with such a great passion and energy.
enjoyment करवाते हैं सभी में, एक साथ जोड़ के रखते हैं, सभी को घुमाने ले जाते हैं, और एक कंपनी की एक तरह से माँ समझता हूँ उनको. मत निकालो.
We were working for almost 52 hours straight, and how we did it, just don't ask about that. So I mean this is probably the kind of dedication that we have here at Eurot.
Another thing to add, mostly Veer, Adi, Abhishek, so बहुत सारे लोग, many of them were my college friends. So it was never like I was joining something new or something nervous, or it's like क्या होगा क्या नहीं. It was almost like I'm just joining old friends.
He's not founding member, but I guess he is one of the pillar, you can say, which is supporting Neuron very strongly.
For that matter, Neuron is one such startup that is working on machine learning and natural language processing, जहाँ पे कि हम बहुत सारे टेक्सचुअल डेटा को एक शेप देने की कोशिश करते हैं, एक पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन देने की कोशिश करते हैं, जहाँ पे जिससे कि ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस बेसिकली अपने डेटा से सेंस बना सकें एंड it would be easier for them to make informed decisions, even if the decision has to take into account an opinion of say 1 billion people at a time.
We started working on this platform around 18 months back, and now we are, after Times Internet, now we are raising an angel round. We have onboarded like around 15 different angel investors from companies. Every one of them come from an amazing background. They sit in higher management of the biggest and the best tech companies in India right now. I'm an HR-driven founder, and I believe that the best people actually make the best team, and best teams actually make the best company.
तो डेटा एनालिटिक्स के लिए वी केम अप विद द प्रोडक्ट न्यूरॉन, अभी जो हमारा प्रोडक्ट है, विच इज़ बेसिकली इनटू टॉपिक मॉडलिंग, एंटिटी एक्सट्रैक्शन एंड सेंटिमेंट एनालिसिस.
When we talk about machine learning and artificial intelligence, your technology has to be very advanced. Right now, the technology that we have built has a great F-score, and we're just slightly behind from the world's best accuracy in AI. So the idea is to use these funds to expand our reach on research and development so that we can actually build the best technology.